Hello students. Today we will be discussing about early man, human achievements in the Stone Age and man discovers copper. So let's continue with the chapter. Let's see what the book is saying. In the beginning, early man was a food gatherer. He learned to make simple tools with materials such as the branches of trees, bones of dead animals and stones. This period is called the Stone Age. It lasted for a very long time. So what is the Stone Age? Is the time when man started using certain materials for his own good. He used to cut the trees or break the trees, and he would use the stem for making long spears. He would also use bones of dead animals. For example, a teeth of a dead animal could be used as a sharp weapon which could pierce through something. And he would also make tools out of stones. In the picture, you can see there is a stone hand X. What is that X? That he had carved out of a stone. So man had learned to do certain things in the Stone Age. So let's go ahead. Human achievements in the Stone Age. During the Stone Age, man discovered and learned to make fire, which gave warmth and protection against wild animals. Man discovered fire by rubbing two stones, and when the sparks came out, he would put it in the dry grass, and that dry grass would catch fire, and that's how man learned to make fire. Domesticated animals such as goats, sheep, and cows. He used their milk and meat as food, skin as clothing, and horns for making artifacts. So man started domesticating animals. He would keep animals in his area and he would domesticate them. Domesticating them means keeping them in under their control. So these animals, he would use milk for food, he would use the skin of the animals for the clothes, and that's how he started making use of the animals. Cultivated crops and became a food producer. He could now settle in one place, build houses, and make pots to store food. So now man started cultivating crops. Basically, he started to make farmlands. He started farming. So once man started farming, gathering of food became easier. And beside the farmland, the man would make a home for himself. He started to build house as well. Designed various tools such as axes for cutting trees, sickle and scythe for cultivation, borers for making holes, and so on. So man had developed various tools during that time. He would develop axe for cutting trees. Axe, you all know, is used for cutting trees. Sickle and scythes are tools to cut the crop and for cultivation purpose. He used to make borers for making holes. He would make a tool called borer which would dig hole in the ground. He also invented the wheel, which improved transportation and helped in pottery making. So he had invented wheel. So what this wheel would do, he would set up carts. So basically wheel carts were set up, and on those carts he would transport his goods and materials. Man discovers copper. While baking clay pots in the hot furnaces, man discovered that metal is produced when the ore present in the clay melts. Copper was the first metal to be used by man. It proved to be a very useful material and and came to be regarded as precious and sacred. This discovery marked the transition from the Stone Age to the age of metals. While experimenting with metals, man mixed copper with tin and invented a new metal called bronze. This was the beginning of the Bronze Age. So after Stone Age came Bronze Age. Why it is called Bronze Age? Because in the Bronze Age, man had discovered metals. How he discovered metals? By separating the ore from the metals. So he would separate the ore. Ore is basically metal in its raw form. So when the ore is separated, you get the pure metal. Similarly, he also started to mix metals. He started to mix metal. For example, when he mixed copper with tin, he found bronze. So basically, that is how man started learning to use metals as well, and he reached Bronze Age. So up to the point in history, events all over the world were of similar nature. Once man began using metals and exploring the resources of the earth, differences in the pace of development began to appear in different regions of the world. So man had developed these metals and he started extracting those metals from the earth. So once he started extracting metals, he would use it in various resources. He would use these metals for many use. So all this helped man to move from age of stone age and to the age of bronze. So basically that's how man learned to be advanced. So let's stop here today. We come to the end of the chapter. We will be beginning new chapters in the next session. So in the meanwhile, be prepared with these chapters. Read about this chapter. I will share the photos with you. You read about this and we will discuss it in the next class. Thank you.